There we go.
Yes, yes,
No
yes.
worries. I know you're
Sorry.
busy, Neil.
No, no, no. It's not about the busy. It's just about it just got unplugged for a quick second. We are busy only for our clients, so I'm there for you. Yes, yes. Please go ahead.
Well, I think we were at, uh, where were
Yes,
we?
you were you. I think what I understood is you were asking that on average how much you are able to save on the
Oh,
purchase, right?
yeah. How much average time it would be for somebody, for you to find somebody a car? I mean, a month, 3
No, no,
months.
no. So on average, it's maximum 7 to 10 working days. We find it even
Oh,
faster than that because we are working full
oh,
time. Yeah, yeah, we have full time 14 members team, right? Working day in and day out on this. This is
hmm.
not something like I'm just doing it like casually on the side or I'll spend an hour and find you like five listings and off you go. It's not like that. We have a dedicated team who is doing all those detailed research, going through each and every equations, etc. And
Wow.
let me also show you one very, very detailed spreadsheet. Uh, 1 second.
I mean, I'm in no real hurry. I just was curious and,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm
So we
just
work
doing this
we
on
work
my
as
own.
we work as per your timeline. In a sense that some clients will start and say, "Hey, I'm going on vacation, so I'll come back after 2 weeks." So we pause, right? No questions asked. Uh,
Ah,
Unfortunately for some, after doing all the research, their preference will completely change. Will not say no. Will again start. So we are there for you in literal sense, right? For everything till you get the keys and you walk home happy or the car is delivered to your doorstep. And even after that, even people call after 1 year and say, Neil, what's up, right? Like, how are you?
help
And,
me find
what's
another
new?
car.
Yeah, yeah, help me find another car or just a casual chit chat, how's the business coming along? What's the new activities you have incorporated? So some people want to really be a part of that journey. So we also send out a monthly newsletter which goes to about 12,000 people across the country. Yeah, yeah. So
Okay.
yeah.
Well, let me see. Did
Mhm.
you, I mean, you were contacting me through, oh, text. You text me. I
Yes,
didn't see it till,
yes.
so that's good. I could save that and talk to my husband when he gets back and say, I
Mm,
found somebody. They're going to do the research for me. It's going to
yes.
cost 500. And then if they find something, which sounds like you're 100% sure you're going to find me.
Yes, yes.
But
So it's
maybe that's like, maybe we disagree on the car that you find that I don't want to pay that much, or it's out of, I don't know. What if we come to the conclusion like maybe no. So
yeah.
then just the 500. I don't know.
No, so
I don't know how
yeah,
this works.
very very good point. So see, it's also about something like if I can understand what is kind of your budget for this vehicle and what is kind of your preference in terms of a pre-owned. If can you share a little bit on that front?
Share about my research. What I've
Mm, yes.
uh wait, where did I put that? Okay, I was working on Excel too.
Okay.
Let's see. Where'd it go? Um, okay, here it is.
Mm,
So this one was 36,585. 585. 2025, low miles.
So I'll just take one last moment, Alina here. I
Uh-huh.
wanted to show you one spreadsheet. Very, very difficult. I should not say, but client to us continued the engagement for 3 months, and you look at how much detailed listings, like all explored platforms, this many platforms which we explored for him. This is all
Uh-huh.
the listings what we did. You look at the level of the efforts what we have done, right?
Uh-huh.
So in the previous ones you did not find, but he almost 178 listings meeting his preference across the country with all the information and all the
Yes.
details, the shortlisted ones, right? And then how it is going on. We created
Mhm.
one more tab with all the details, and then we created an analysis. So I'll show you a graph which we plotted.
Yes.
So you look at
Oh
the
my
row mark,
gosh.
yes. So this is the level of the efforts what we go. So we don't rest
Yes,
until you are
I
happy
see.
and satisfied.
Well,
Yes.
well, so then what happened? Like that guy ended up paying, did you charge more? I mean,
No, no,
because
it's the
it took
same. It's the
longer?
same. No, it's the same thousand
So
dollars.
so then, you can make more off of some people you find quickly, and then you make less off of the people who are so,
And we even it out. Yes.
that's it.
Yeah, that's it. That's a part of the game. I don't want to be like a lawyer who is like billing you every hour or every week, right? Then it doesn't serve. We want you to be genuinely happy. That's it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because
This
that's it.
is,
That reminds me of a story when we were looking for our house. It took us forever to find our house, and then it took my sister like, a couple months. And
yep.
we had the same realtor. So I said, okay, Gilda made more off of you than she did off of us.
Yep.
But
And so we have played around with those kind of ideas before, right? That certain clients are taking too long, or they are not sure, or sometimes it's the inventory issue. Because COVID was the time when finding the
oh,
exact car was very, very challenging. Uh,
oh.
yes, yes, yes. So we have
Yeah,
we have
so
gone through those journey and those steps here. Yeah.
okay, so I started with looking at 2023s, and they have a joystick, which is
Hmm.
fine, but then the miles got higher,
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
and I don't know. So then I jumped to 2025 because there wasn't that many 2024s. 2025, I could find more with the
Hmm, hmm,
white
hmm.
and the red interior, and
Correct.
and then I saw one that was white with beige interior, and it had the bird's eye view, the 360. And I was like, oh yeah, I want that one. But then putting that inside this car,
Hmm,
it
hmm,
just
hmm.
makes my window a
Wow.
lot smaller.
Correct.
So,
Yes, yes, yes.
what else? I was looking at lumbar and
Hmm, hmm,
Harman
hmm.
sound control, but those are just options. And there's not very, I don't think this car comes with lumbar,
Hmm, hmm, hmm,
so
hmm.
I have to
No,
find out if,
we will be able to find it. So you can say that, hey, these are all the things what I'm looking for. Can you tell me which particular year of like 230i or this lumbar is coming with, or this leatherette seats are coming with, or this 360 camera is coming. So we'll be able to find you. Okay,
yeah,
from between 2018 to 2022, these features were there, but then this was discontinued, or this was in this trim level, or we need to
okay,
buy it as an add-on. So all those permutation combinations, whatever you have, will be able to cater to that. Yes.
okay.
Yeah, just like let me just quickly share my screen for a minute, and so that will give you a clear set of reference for you. Here, just a minute. So this would be exactly like this. So you can all your specific preferences, whatever you will come up with. See, she also wanted 360-degree view, exactly what you're looking
Mm,
for. Contactless
mm-hmm,
phone charging, smart key, moonroof, ventilated, whatever that is, lumbar support, all-weather floor
mm-hmm.
mats, warranty. And so we put everything down and we click yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. maybe. And if it is a maybe, we call up the dealership and get that confirmation. And then whatever
Okay.
is all yes is what we go after. So this is how we created value for money. Let me also show you a quick value for money spreadsheet. So this is all the graphs and the plots what we put together in order to identify where is the most value for the deal, what she's looking at. And then we created a trim level comparison. We created a multiple trim level comparison. We plotted the price versus miles, which is what I was sharing with you. So anything below the red line is a good buy. So now you're not like, of course, emotional is important, but again, we have to be financially savvy. So this is how we like plot all the graphs and we show you that where to go and how to find it.
Okay. Sounds like a good deal.
Yeah. We will ensure that at least you are saving more than $3,000 as a part of the engagement with actual tangible savings which you can count and compare. Plus all the time in the world which you will be saving by delegating this entire process to our team.
Okay. Yeah. I think you were asking me my budget.
Yeah,
That's where we left off. And
correct.
then as I was searching, uh, and my budget kept going up. Like I started at, let me see, I started at 31,000 and now it's
Mhm,
up to 41,000. Oh, well, this one I saw was 42.9
mhm,
asking. So I was going to negotiate, but that's the one in San Francisco. And then I told you, what was it at Driveway,
Driveway.
driveway.com.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I asked Chat GPT about it and they advised me not to do it either. They showed me all these bad reviews and I was like, oh gosh, never mind. So
Yeah.
then so then I was trying because I wanted to get it out the door
Mm.
45 maybe. Out the
Correct.
door
Hmm.
45,000.
Right.
I think
Hmm.
that's where I left. Then that's where I
Okay.
searched for you because I was trying to get like less. Like I was
Yes,
with the dealer like trying to save 40 and under 40 out the door, and then
correct.
it didn't go. So
Yeah, and we very much believe in out the door. In fact, we have an out the door calculator page on our website. So even if you don't
okay,
connect with us, we really want to be helpful to people, right? You need to know your exact price. And then why use Car Concierge Pro's out the door calculator, how it works, expert negotiation assistance, everything what are the factors you have to keep in mind, why it is efficient for you. So we are always like imparting knowledge, creating awareness, and ensuring that you pay the right price.
okay,
Yeah.
very good.
Yeah. So
All right.
45K is a very good budget what you are running with. And I'm very confident that we'll be able to find not only one vehicle, but multiple vehicles starting from California and going towards east in the country and ensuring that we are looking at. So when I talk about value for money, it is also something where if 230i is like very next to your doorstep, right? And if it is going to cost you like $40,000, but a dealership which is 1,000 miles away is going to cost us like $38,000. Then it doesn't make sense to get it shipped because you will be paying about $1,000 in shipping and it's a sight unseen. Rather, you pay $1,000 more and just physically inspect the car, ensure that you can take it for a spin, take it for the freeway, take it for the city roads, and then purchase it, right? So all these little nuances will be coming as a part of an interactive feedback, communication, and conversations with you.
Okay.
Okay. So take your time, have a word with your husband. Uh,
Okay.
I can get on the call with you and with him again, either later this evening or tomorrow morning for your availability. And then we
Well,
look forward to
where
setting.
are you?
I'm currently based in Scottsdale, Arizona.
Arizona. So the
Yeah,
what are you?
Arizona time, mountain time.
One mountain. 2 hours.
Yeah, two
Plus
hours.
two
Yeah.
hours. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow. Well, I'll talk to him tonight,
Mm-hmm.
and then just send me an email
Yeah,
or
we'll send
or
you.
I could text you.
Yes,
Have your
yes, we'll
text.
send you a detailed email. Yeah, you have my number. You can directly text me or give me a call. But in the speed of the moment, I even forgot to introduce you to one of my really good team member. Her name is Soumya. She is on the call. So after our call is completed, she will send you a detailed email summary of what we have discussed, what we have communicated, so that you can use it as a reference when you have a word with your husband tonight.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. So expect an email from her within the next hour, and then we'll take it from there.
Okay. Appreciate it,
Okay.
Neil.
Okay. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
Thank
Take care.
you.
Bye bye.
You too.